Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be looking at DREO tower fan assembly and troubleshooting. So the first step in the assembling of the fan is to keep the two base halves in a crossed position. Then insert those pegs of one half onto the slot of the other half as shown in the figure. Press down on the edges to click the base halves together in order to lock them. Run the power cord of the fan through the center hole of the base. The next step is to fit the base on the bottom of the fan by aligning the arrows on the underside as shown in the figure. Rotate the base clockwise to lock the base in place. Finally, thread the cord through the cord keepers before putting the fan upright. Now let's look at the troubleshooting of the fan. This tower fan is provided with overload and short circuit protection using a fuse. Whenever an overload or short circuit condition occurs, the fuse blows and protects the fan from damage. As a result, power supply to the fan is interrupted and the fan will not turn on. For troubleshooting this issue, the fuse located inside the plug needs to be checked. First, disconnect the plug safely from the power outlet before starting the troubleshooting procedure. Then open the fuse cover on the plug and carefully remove the fuse. Fuse can be checked in two ways, by visual inspection or by using a digital multimeter. If the fuse is found faulty, replace it only with the correct rating fuse as specified in the manual, which is 5 amps, 125 volts, in order to avoid any fire hazards or the equipment damage.